Talk Tuesday on Kababayan Today. Nagpapasalamat po kami sa lahat ng mga tumawag. We still have time for one more caller. Hello?
Hello, hi.
Yes, magandang hapon po.
Yes, good afternoon to Janelle and your guests. I'm just saying it's good that the Kababayans come together and also try to help our fellow Filipinos. Also, prayer helps a lot because that the recovery will be faster. I'm so happy that these people are doing some concerts. Thank you, and God bless you all.
Maraming salamat
po.
And you know what, like what I was saying earlier, para naman dun sa mga nanonood sa atin sa Hawaii, if you are so moved and you want to donate but you don't know where to go, we're going to be flashing the phone number on the screen and you have to call them. This concert is happening on Friday, if you're just joining us, November 15th. Tell us what they can expect at the concert.
We'll be doing we have a musical program, and we will feature different artists, Filipino-American artists. Iba-iba pong genres at styles ito. Alam namin na ma-enjoy nyo. It starts from 7:30 p.m. hanggang 10:30 p.m. Para dun po sa mga nag-aalala, the proceeds will go straight, will be coursed through Red Cross.
Yes.
Kaya diretso pong aabot yung, makakaabot po sa mabuting kamay ang inyong mga donasyon.
You know, importante nating pag-usapan yan kung saan mapupunta yung mga donations natin. And that is why we're asking for cash donations. I hope you can understand. Dahil ang mga material po, minsan meron pang additional cost ng pag-ship sa Pilipinas. But if it's cash, they can buy whatever they need. Now, time for one last call, and this is quite a surprise because one of your co-artists performing is calling.
Wow.
Oh, the unscripted, Ninette Tenza is on the line.
Wow, Ninette.
Hello, good afternoon. Balita ko
Leslie.
kailangan daw ng kakanta ng happy birthday, so kakantahan ko si Mon.
Oh, wow. Thank you. Go ahead, Miss Ninette.
Happy birthday, Mon David. Happy birthday, Mon David. Hindi ko makaya yung pagka-jazz ni Mon. But happy birthday and congratulations again. We're looking forward to November 15th. Thanks, Janelle. Hi.
Thank you,
Ninette, and thank you for your time. Thank you for volunteering. Again, we're making it clear, everyone working at the concert, all the artists will be donating their time and their talent for free. Pro bono po lahat. At lahat po ng proceeds mapupunta sa Philippine Red Cross. Again, thank you.
Maraming
More power
salamat.
to you. Thank you to Ted for putting this together. And thank you everyone for watching us today. I'll see you next time.